Under a warm Barcelona sun, Anna stood outside her newly purchased flat in the Eixample neighborhood. The stately facade hinted at its 19th-century roots, with intricate stonework and large windows that had watched over the bustling street for decades. Anna could see the potential, but she knew the interior needed a transformation, one that honored its history while embracing the conveniences of modern living. As Anna opened the heavy front door and stepped inside, she was greeted by a space that felt like it was frozen in time. The high ceilings, ornate moldings, and vintage doors all spoke of a bygone era. However, the layout was outdated, and the flat's infrastructure needed a complete overhaul. Anna's vision was clear: she wanted to preserve the character of the flat while reimagining it for contemporary life. The first step was restoration. Anna worked with a team of skilled artisans who painstakingly stripped back layers of paint and grime from the original doors and windows. Each pane of glass was carefully cleaned, and each wooden frame was treated to restore its luster. The mosaic-patterned floors, unique to this era of Barcelona's architecture, were meticulously polished, revealing their vibrant colors and intricate designs. It was as if the flat was slowly coming back to life, shedding the wear and tear of the past. With the restoration underway, Anna turned her attention to the layout. The original plan had placed the rooms near the street-facing facade, which she decided to keep. This configuration provided ample light and a view of the neighborhood's iconic grid pattern. However, the central part of the flat, once a maze of small, dark spaces, was reconfigured to house the modern bathrooms. The sitting room, kitchen, and dining room were moved to the rear, facing the internal court of the block. This change not only made the flat feel more open, but also created a seamless flow from one area to the next. The final touch was to integrate modern amenities without disrupting the Art Nouveau charm. New plumbing, wiring, and HVAC systems were installed, hidden behind the classic walls and ceilings. The kitchen was equipped with sleek appliances, and the bathrooms featured contemporary fixtures. Despite these updates, Anna was careful to maintain the flat's aesthetic integrity, ensuring that each addition complemented the restored elements. With the renovation complete, Anna stood in her new sitting room, admiring the way the light streamed in through the restored windows. The flat had transformed from a relic of the past into a comfortable, modern home that still retained its historical soul. As she sat down at the dining table, facing the internal court, she felt a sense of accomplishment and anticipation. The flat was ready for a new chapter, one that would be filled with life, laughter, and memories yet to be made.